Topic: Motion and time. Types of motion. Generally, there are two types of motion. A. Non-uniform motion. B. Uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. In the non-uniform motion, an object which is moving in the straight line keeps on changing its speed. Uniform motion. In the uniform motion, an object moves with a constant speed in a straight line. Speed. Speed is equal to the distance covered by an object within a unit time. Another way to think of this is as how far you can go in a certain amount of time. It does not matter that you start fast or slow. For example, if the speed of a car is 20 km per hour, it means that the car will cover 20 km in 1 hour. Generally, units of speed are meter per second or kilometer per hour. Measuring speed. When an object moves in a straight line at a steady speed, you can calculate its speed if you know how far it travels and how long it takes to cover the distance. For example, a car travels 80 km in 2 hours. Its speed is 80 divided by 2 equals 40 km per hour. Simple pendulum. A pendulum completes its one oscillation when its ball starts from one extreme position to the other extreme position and comes back to its first extreme position. Whereas, when pendulum remains at middle position of both of the extreme position, it is said to be at mean position. A simple pendulum shows periodic motion. Measuring time period of a pendulum. The time period of a pendulum is a time taken to complete one oscillation. If there is a simple pendulum having string of 100 centimeters length and it has taken 30 oscillations in recorded time of 60 seconds, then time period of the pendulum equals 60/30, which equals 2 seconds. Distance time graph. Information about movement of an object can be presented in number of ways. Data of total distance moved at different times can be recorded in a table. Alternatively, the same information can be presented in a graph. A distance time graph is a way to visually show a collection of data. It allows us to understand the relationship between the data. A graph showing the distance covered and time taken by a car.